Challenges? Building trust. The AI is all about science, technology, and algorithms which mostly people are unaware of, which makes it difficult for them to trust it. AI-human interface. Being a new technology, there is a huge shortage of working manpower having data analytics and data science skills. Those in turn can be deputed to get maximum output from artificial intelligence. As the advancement of AI rising, businesses lack a skilled professional who can match the requirements and work with this technology. Business owners need to train their professionals to be able to leverage the benefits of this technology. Investment. AI is an expensive technology that not every business owner or manager can invest money into, as large amount of computing power will be necessary, and sometimes hardware acceleration with GPU, FPGA, or ASIC must be in place to run machine learning models effectively. Though adoptability of AI is surging high, it has not been integrated fully in businesses' value chain at the scale which it should have. Moreover, enterprises of those who have incorporated are still in nascent stage, which have resulted in the slowdown in the lifting of the AI technology at scale and thus been deprived of cost benefit of scale. After decades of speculation and justifiable anxiety about the social implications of intensifying and potentially destabilizing AI technology for humankind and black box problem, AI investors are a bit skeptical from parking their money in potential startups. Software malfunction. With machines and algorithms controlling AI, decision-making ability is automatically ceded to code-driven black box tools. Automation makes it difficult to identify the cause of mistakes and malfunctions. Moreover, due to the lack of ability of human beings to learn and understand how these tools work, they have little or no control over the system, which is further complicated as automated systems become more prevalent and complex. Non-invincible, can replace only certain tasks. Like any other technology, AI also has its own limitations. It simply cannot replace all tasks. However, it will result in emerging new job domain with different quality job profile. High expectations. Research in artificial intelligence is conducted by large pool of technologists and scientists with varying objectives, motivation, perspectives, and interests. Main focus of research is confined in understanding the underlying basis of cognition and intelligence, with heavy emphasis on unraveling the mysteries of human intelligence and thought process. Not everyone understands the functioning of AI and might also have very high expectation of functioning. Data security. Machine learning and decision-making capability of AI and AI application are based on huge volumes of classified data, often sensitive and personal in nature. This makes it vulnerable to serious issues like data breach and identity theft. Mostly, companies and governments striving for profits and power, respectively, exploit the AI-based tools, which are generally globally networked, which make them difficult to regulate or rein in. Algorithm bias. AI is all about data and algorithms. Accuracy of decision-making capability of AI is purely based on how accurately it has been trained and by using authentic and unbiased data. Unethical and unfair consequences are inherent in vital decision-making if data used for training is laced with racial, gender, communal, or ethnic biases. Such biases will probably be more accentuated, as many AI systems will continue to be trained using bad data. Data scarcity. Power and capabilities of AI and AI applications depend directly on the accuracy and relevancy of supervised and labeled datasets being used for training and learning. There is scarcity of quality labeled data. Though efforts are underway by means of transfer learning, active learning, deep learning, and unsupervised learning, to devise methodologies to make AI models learn despite the scarcity of quality labeled data, it will only aggravate the problem.